It's horrible spending every day feeling like a rubbish mum.
They've taught me how to be with my baby and just enjoy him and not expect anything from him or from myself.
You know, I was always under the impression that mental health was just something people use it as an excuse. But going like with, say, getting postnatal depression and obviously the anxiety and things, I realise there's a lot more to mental health than meets the eye.
Where the programme has come from fundamentally is that the traditional organisation of how services around children's mental health and emotional well-being works. It was often described as the pyramid structure with different tiers of provision. And the model that we have developed has arisen very much because of some real frustration around some of the limitations of that model.
Well, it's been a long journey for me over the years trying to get help for my youngest son. Access lots of different places through the school passed me on to the doctors had passed me on to other services, and to the point where I just felt I was getting nowhere.
We've got within health some of that specialist clinical expertise. Says, how can we make that more accessible to the people who are in the position to make the biggest differences in the lives of our children?
We want to reach out to our most vulnerable and marginalised populations, not this time just through organisations, but directly with communities themselves.
There is something about partnership that is absolutely fundamental about the way that we are working. Partnership between health, social care, education, and also the third sector.
Partnership working really works. We're around the table on a weekly basis, being able to discuss who is going to meet the need, you know, at the earliest opportunity, the right service at the right time for children.
If you can create nurturing relationships between children and families and professionals, but also relationships between professional groups, that what happens is children experience a much more joined up approach.
It's been a privilege to have people actually look at us as a family and as people and humans, and it's just been nice that they've been there, they've empowered us, they've brought us hope and restored a lot of faith.